Hello everybody, as you can see, my name was Yunusa. I thank God for my life and my family. As you can see, I'm on the airport, so this is my bag. So this is my passport and everything, my original passport. So I'm not traveling, but I just come and feel myself. I want to feel myself.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is a very funny video that I just want to share with us. This our brother is what the PM shared on his he shared this video on his platform, and I find it interesting to share because the level of frustration in Nigeria is not something that anyone can joke with. Imagine you dressing up, carry your bag, bring your national passport, dress as if you are flying outside the country and come to airport just to cruise around. And to him, it is funny. I don't know if he have any spiritual connection or something like that, because a mature man like this coming to airport with his passport and everything without going anywhere, no visa whatsoever, just to test how it feels to fly out. That means if this guy see any opportunity to leave the country, of course he will accept it immediately. Who knows how long this guy have searched for visa to any country at all. Let's watch and see, because it is very funny.
I want to know how it used to be if person are traveling. I just dress.
Just imagine.
I just dress. I come and see airport.
You come and see airport.
This is my passport. But it's paper.
My goodness.
You know, they used to put paper inside. That's why I put only paper. Yes, I just put paper. Thank you. Happy New Year. Hello, everybody. As you can see, my name was Yunusa. I thank God for my life and my family.
He said my name was Yunusa.
I'm on the airport, so this is my bag.
I'm on the airport.
This is my passport and
You're in the airport.
My original passport. So I'm not traveling, but I just come and feel myself. I want to feel myself.
People know the shame, more. People know the shame, honestly. Oh my goodness. I feel for you, my brother. It is not easy to stay in Nigeria. A lot of things is going on there. Oh my goodness. I feel for this guy. As we also know that PM have announced that October this year, 2024, that Biafra will be declared, and the self-referendum will take place in Finland. This is the one that happened October last year, 2023. So in October this year, another event will take place in Finland, which is declaration of Biafra in Finland, and followed by Biafran self referendum. A lot of people are not finding it funny any longer, because they know that PM is talk and do. You don't need to ask if he will do that, because he have done it in the past. So I just want to share with us, because as he announced the declaration of Biafra in October, he is also working seriously with the Biafra government in exile cabinet members to make sure that everything is in place. The database for Biafrans are, in progress. They are, making sure that everything is well provided for the self-referendum, so that no intruder, nobody will come to claim that he's Biafrans to interfere in the vote and anything. No, it's not possible. As you can see here, in October last year, that was when Biafran Finland convention took place. So everybody knows what happened after that, declaring of Biafra and the Biafran Liberation Army and everything. And this year, it has been announced that it will also have the declaration of Biafra will also take place in Finland as well. Here, PM said, breaking: the Biafran government database and ID card registration guide citizens education begins January 11. So that is few days from now, January 11, 2024. Just they play. So people who knows what happened before will understand that this guy is not playing. PM is a real deal. Honestly, is a real deal. I just want us to go through the news so you know what is going on, because Biafran Liberation Army also is have sent I think they are on evangelism, and I would like to bring this news for you as well. here the PM says, breaking: the terrorist Nigerian army has checked out of their checkpoint. Who informed them of the crusade that was coming? Of course, it could be someone, some of the our people. We have to pay attention to them. This is one of the Biafran Liberation Army commander visited a checkpoint somewhere in Soka, where Nigerian army normally have their checkpoint and shared kidnappers and all that. We all know what they're doing in Southeast. The Southeast is the only place in Nigeria that has more checkpoints than the entire country, than what we have in Southwest and Northeast and other part of Nigeria. So Southeast have been a victim for these people for a very long time. So this is a Biafran Liberation Army, invade the place, go, checking them to see how they're doing, because it is the season of checking on your enemies, to share good news to them, giving them the hands of friendship. But unfortunately, they are nowhere to be found anymore here.
Yes. Ebe a ka anyị na-anọ Nigerian military terrorists na half chago kita anọrọzi ebe a. Nweta m information na ha nọrọ ebe a, nsị ka nke obi ka m bịa. Abịa m mfu ngacha n'ime the priest ọbụna hapụ ọ na-eme ihe na-adịghị ekwe omume.
Okay, that is it. I think they know that it's no longer as business as usual. That's just the truth.
Everywhere.
So our Biafran Liberation Army commander have this to tell us. Another terrorist group in the north sent me a mail just 4 hours ago. This group is named Gang Allah. They said Royce should come and lead them. Please, if I may ask, lead you to where? These people think the Biafrans of today are as same as the stooge in Igbo land. Gumi is the founder. I mean, the founder of this terrorist group, who is contacting our Biafran army commander, begging him to come and join them, to lead them and direct them. I don't know what they want to achieve as a terrorist group or to what. I don't know if they really know that Biafrans are not Muslim. But they sent a message to this Biafran commander. That's what he said. So I don't have any access to the mail they sent to him. This is what he posts on his wall. That a group from northern part of Nigeria is seeking for his presence in their midst to lead their group. I don't know why. But he said this a few hours ago. And in 1 hour ago, he have this to say as an update. We may think this is a joke. We may think that this is jokes. It is because we are incorruptible. We are incorruptible. All these mails, northerners terrorists do send to me, do come. Okay, all these mails, northern terrorist group, do send to me to come train and lead them. These are the little things they use in deceiving our politicians, but because we are unviable, that is why we easily coded it. So, meaning that this is true, because if you listen to the first message that I read, you may think that it is just maybe he's just trying to play or joke or something like that. But for him to come back again and stay elaborating the information, saying things about what happened and the email that they're sending to him, how this group are contacting him, one can begin to believe that it's true. And to me, I don't think there's any reason why this commander will come out to make a post like this when he knows that it's not true. So I believe him, to be honest with you. Biafran commander, could it be the way for them to buy him, or do they even know what Biafran stands for? Do they think that everybody is fighting for jihadists or something? I don't know what could be the reason, but whatever that may be, none of Biafrans or anybody that is in support of freedom should join any terrorist group. I don't think it's advisable for you to do that, or even to dream to train them at all. Since Gumi is the leader or the founder or whatever they call them, he should pilot the affairs by himself.